Let's see how to export Strubim steel model information to manufacturing files in IFC EM11 format. To do this, from the program's general interface, we use the Export option at the top left and select IFC EM11. This is an MVD or Model View Definition specification of the IFC format containing information for the automatic fabrication of steel structures. After selecting the option, the Save As window opens, where we choose the name and the path where the file will be saved. When clicking Accept again, the program opens the selected directory, displaying the exported file in IFC format. Additionally, when we share information with BIM Service Center, we can configure the generation of these files by checking the corresponding box to add them to the contribution that will be created in the project folder in the cloud.